Easy seat right here, Vivo. Pasadena. Pasadena squad meet.
That's age or whatever.
Nice, huh? Sell a lot of things right here. Merchandise.
Oh, búscale ahí en la calle, yo te podría ayudar, pero como estoy aquí en la primera venta no puedo dejar solo.
Diamond.
Sí.
All kind of stuff.
Sí, acá te espero en el puesto 11.
And mist right here. You see a lot of Chinese stuff. Nice, huh? Look at this. See right here, nice. You can buy everything here with good price. I just buy 2 Zippo for $25. I just got 2 of this from my friend. This I think is 70,
I'm done tired.
and another one here. This one here from the 60. See right there, Zippo 60. Okay, for 2 for $25. Good deal. Jewelry, jewelry, jewelry.
看一下订单啊，你等一下，我等产品里面放的是有的。
Everything here.
What is so bad?
Look right here, $1. See, $1 each.
What if it's gone?
$1, right?
Yeah, nobody will buy it, trust me.
Noro. See, you need to test gold or diamond. You need to spend time see some silver, who never know. See, I sell this stuff I know. Sometimes you're lazy to look at, but sometimes good stuff. $1 each. Look at people looking, $1. That look good. You take a seat, pay $5. We have fun, guys. Walk around. The weather good. It rained this morning. Right now, okay. 1960, 50, sometimes Bakelite too. If you know how to test Bakelite, that's a B, the 70 right there, guys. See, all kinds, nice. J, this is an oval. They have oval in here, small oval inside. That's an oval right there. Whoa, that's a nice oval. Why the cover up? Oh, that's outside. That's an oval.
I was like not even playing at the time. I was like waiting, and something just like took me out.
That's so bad. Yeah.
My dad really wanted me to.
This is like bookend.
Were you good at it?
I don't think he was either.
It's two up here for
He
$60.
likes
Ooh, nice.
Yeah, it was something really fun.
Nice bookends.
He was like,
Japan, this is a fake Zippo. Japan, I got two good ones. See, if you have time, look around, have fun. Be
yeah, I don't.
all kind of stuff you can see. Everything, guys. Buy everything.
So many Zippos.
Like they're just super pretty. Which one is it? You love an antique one.
I know, I just wanted to look at this.
Okay, Bakelite right there. That's a 40. 1940.
I'm sorry?
It was a big, the big.
The yellow one.
Oh, okay.
Pack. Pink.
I mean, maybe big on
Okay.
1234.
Pack right here. You can get for a couple hundred. Yeah, a whole bunch of this.
Some are like
1940.
this huge and like some are, yeah.
$25.
It's like,
Everything, guy. Buy everything.
Put it on in this too.
Yeah.
Whatever's in this, put on this too.
I usually
It'd be
try to-
easier to wrap and then
we usually try to do that too, but then it's like,
Jewelry.
someone's like wrapping here and they finish, there's still room in the box. I mean, that's what I do though.
Locker. I know a couple people here. Lock? Dang. Oh, look at this. I have a whole bunch of this. Let's see if it's true. Just walk around. Too many things to buy. Looking for something expensive. Okay, here's something very valuable right here, mid-century. This right here, this is a good coffee table, mid-century. guarantee you this is a good valuable one. This couple online maybe $300-$400 right here.
Oh, okay.
How much the coffee table?
The coffee table, I'm asking 300.
I
But
know.
I'll accept an offer, you know.
That's a good deal.
I know. You
Make
know how
century.
much they are.
I know. I just go online and say really good price.
Yeah.
Make century. That's a make century one. See now. See, there's an old thing people buy too. See, you can walk around, have fun, guy. This is all the stuff I sell at my store before. I know a lot, but I collect Zippo right now. All right, here's the bed. This one is called Bakelite cheap. Very good, guy. Maybe Bakelite. Yes, it looked like Bakelite. See, if you guys see this, you can sell for $40 online.
Shit, Michael never leaves anything.
Everything here. See, Chef J too. Everything, guy.
对，我就会有一个对，减掉这一个，减掉这一个，加这一个，加这一个，加这一个呢就160米，这个30米。对，这个是要160的吗？对，上次跟我说160吗？我不行。
People buy coffee right there. See everything there. Old gin. Okay, this collectible right here, guys. You see, when you see here, they call three stripe right here. Okay, look at this one. Look at this one. You can get how much this one. This is called three stripe head. At least $40 or more. You work here? Yeah.
Oh my God.
Nobody here. Okay.
I need that, I'm not sure.
Thank you. This is a good collectible right here. You work here? Let me try check this one out. This is a rare one, guy. They call three stripe right here. Who make this? No mark, made in USA. Ness. This is a cool one.
Yeah?
I check the price. I go online and see this collectible is three stripe. They call three stripe. You know, right? I see. Where the seller here? I want to check the price.
I don't know, you might want to ask these two that are standing next to you.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, I know. Thank you, though. Yeah. No, I teaching people how to looking stuff. You know, look like T-shirt, single stick or
Yeah, nice.
yeah.
Yeah, do you post on YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
It's just for fun. I say, I guess it. Tell them what the price right now.
Oh yeah.
I say 40 and see that. Yeah, I did 40, but let's check. Let me go there. I think. Yeah, how much the price on this one?
10.
$10?
Yeah.
Okay. Good price. He won $10. Let me double check. $10. Let me double check. I like this. Maybe I take this. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. All right. Thank you. See, he won $10. Let me take a picture and see what happened. I got this hat, he won 10. I bargained out for $8 and they were really happy. So this fun guy. You just check online. At least $30. Okay? 3-stripe hat made in USA. That's all. Good deal. You think I wear this guy or no? I never date the girl who use the letter word, 4-letter word, F or any word. Do I wear this or no? I don't think so. I don't wear hat, that's why. It's Sunday right now, but I don't wear hat. Let's hear my friend right here. See the one on video. See crazy nut. Rapman bar. Hello. Good, good. I just got a hat. What the heck this one? Oh, the toy. This cool toy.
Reagan would just be like all over.
Oh god, yeah.
Compliment. This is a cool one. Maybe this is some online.
Yes.
Check online,
Well,
see.
that's why I'm looking for her to show. See her shape.
Making spend 50 cents. What, crazy? Let's check online how much. Everything here, guys. You want silver, ring, sapphire, everything.
So, you know, pretty simple settings and such is what I'm looking for, but I just need something like that.
You want wash, ring, everything, guys. Great bed wash right there. It's a night leather Ottoman. See? Everything, guys. People have fun buying old stuff. See corn right there, $1 each.
You're gonna find one. You haven't even found one. One that you like.
Hi.
Oh, you found that one? Is it?
Okay.
It's a $3 right
What do you have?
there.
Bracelet?
Chinese corn. Okay, guy. Look at that. Toy. You want to make money? Buy the whole box. Okay? Don't buy one or two. You can have the shop on eBay right away. You spend $200-300, you can have the shop. This looks like cover. Real nice. Everything, guys. Look at that. See? $10. Nice glass.
I mean, there's 2 floors over there.
I got you. That's the only thing.
It's a new glass. No touch. I got 2 Zippo. Right now, this one I just put the light on. See, just put some blue on. Right now, it works really good. This Zippo, it 3.2. So this Zippo 3.2, that means 1969 right here, guys. 1969. Okay, 3.2. You guys see it? You can go this one, go to Zippo online, and they give you this car. So they put out the date and everything. See? Right here you see 3 slots and 2. 3.2, 1969. See that? This one better. This one, I need to clean it up. I should use the W4D and clean it up outside. This is a 2 dark one. 2 dark one. 2 dark one, 1963. Right here, see? 1963, 2 dark one. Okay, clean it up. Okay, and then I put some normal ice right there. This one the year very good though. Let's see. Open. Oh, it's hot. Need to put W4D in here too. Tight. Real tight, guy. Okay, put a little cup W4D here. You need to put 1 or 2. One in. Maybe 2. I got good deal. 2 for $25. 1963 and 1969. Okay. I think that's too much. Too much. It's stuck somewhere. Oh, need to clean. It's stuck in there. Sorry, guys, need to clean. I come back. Let me open and then clean it up. Okay, open, clean. It's so dirty. It's almost 60 years old. See, look. Let me clean in here. Whoa. I just put some See it come all the way out here already. That's good. Okay, right now let me put maybe 2. Put 2 rock in there. Oh, too tight. Look. Too tight. Sorry, need to take one. Put one only. Spot already. Nope. Okay. Put one only. Too greedy. 1 to put 2, that's a lot. Okay. Clean it up. Put some oil in. I mean, put some gas, fuel in. Okay. Here fuel runs in the best. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, clean it up. 1963, guy. That's a good deal. See, lie on. Perfect. Cool, huh? Zippo. See, ở đây trả là 25 đồng. Là nghĩa là 300 ngàn. 300 ngàn Việt Nam. Mà original. Cái này là 1969. 1963. Collectible. Trên mạng bán cái này khoảng 50. Cái này khoảng 30 đồng. 50 đồng. Easy. Bỏ lay vô. Perfect. Cái này càng xí oil nữa. On. Perfect guy. Không? Đi chợ mà. Đi chợ Squat Meat gần nhà thôi. 1969. 3 gạch. 1963. Okay. Thấy chưa coi? Alright. Thank you for watching. Lần sau đi lần nữa.